No man ever steps in the same river twice, for it's not the same river and he's not the same man. All things come into being by conflict of opposites. The road up and the road down is one and the same. A hidden connection is stronger than an obvious one. Time is a game played beautifully by children. The world is like an ever-flowing stream, and all things in it are like ever-flowing water. People dull their wits with gibberish, and cannot use their ears and eyes. If you like the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you like the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.